Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Store Roblox is not launching error. So let's begin. So here we are in Windows, and first thing that we would need to do is go into our start menu, and from here we're gonna go to apps. So type apps in the search bar, apps and features, and you want to go here into system settings, or you can just go into your settings, and you can also type here under the search bar on settings, so apps and features, and you'll basically end up here. It's the same, and from here you want to go search in the list Roblox, and here we are. We have the Roblox right here. And what you want to do from this one is that you're gonna want to tap or click here on advanced options. So click on it, and from here you want to go click on repair under reset, and from here you also want to click on reset. So click on it and reset just like that one, and now it's just done. Now we can go back here in settings, and now we're gonna search for troubleshooter because we need to troubleshoot our PC right here. And you would go here, click on additional troubleshooters, and we're gonna go for Windows Store apps right here because our Roblox is downloaded from Windows Store, so we would want to run the troubleshooter in case the Windows would find something wrong that is causing our error. So now it's currently loading, so let's just wait for it. And as you can see, in my case, I don't have any problem, or in my case, troubleshooter didn't identify any problem. If this is the case, then you can just go and close this. But if troubleshooter found something in your PC that is something is wrong, that is causing you the error, then you might want to fix that. Just follow the steps that will be instructed to you. It will be depending on what is your problem in your PC. And now let's go back right here. And the next thing is we're gonna go here for Windows Update, or you can just search here in the settings. Go for Windows Update, and you want to make sure that your PC is up to date, or it's updated. You don't have any updates here that is idling by. And yeah, make sure that your PC is updated. And in my case, I guess this is already enough right here. I don't need to download this optional update. And after this, all we had to do now is do the next step. So the next step would be updating our graphics card driver. So to do that, we need to go here into our start menu. And if you have an AMD just like mine, then all you have to do is type AMD, and you would have the AMD software. But if you have NVIDIA, then you would also need to type here NVIDIA, and you would have it right here, just like this one, and you would be able to download the drivers right here. And as you can see, mine, I have an update available for me right here, so I can download and install this. But in my case, my PC is working fine with Windows Store and everything, so I don't want to download this because my current version of my driver is working fine. But if in your case, since it's not working very well and you are having problems with the Microsoft Store Roblox, then you would need to download and install your updater just like that. And then if you've done all of that and there is still not okay, then you can just go into your browser and you can check for the status of Roblox. So you can go for status.roblox.com, and you can see all the servers of Roblox right here. And based from this right here, as you can see, it's all operational. That means there is no errors in the Roblox server. So since all of this is operational, then that would mean that the error that is causing the error is most likely caused by your system. So you should have something repaired in your PC just like this, because everything right here is operational, which means it's working fine. So it's not on the Roblox server that is causing your error. So now that you've checked on this, then you can go and exit. And the next thing that we are going to do is, and also the last thing, is that you want to find your Roblox player. And this, in this case, is right here in my desktop. I have the Roblox player exe right here. So you want to find this, or you can also go for start menu and type in Roblox, and you can just go and right click right here, right click this Roblox player, and you can open file location. And from here, you can just go and right click the Roblox player right here and click on properties. And now you want to click on compatibility, And from here, you want to go into check this box, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7 right here. And then you want to disable full screen optimizations. And you want to go here, change high DPI and make sure this is not enabled. And you want to hit OK and hit apply and OK, just like that. And now you're all done. Your problem should be solved by now. If not, then it is most likely more of an internal problem about the drive. So it's more of a complicated issue that you would need to update all your drives. And that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.